Hi, Keith Cronin here today, and I wanted to talk to you about pain control after therapy. As clinicians, we commonly go to things such as just a cold pack or a TENS unit or maybe some interferential current. But something that is not commonly known but is a very, very great technique is to use a product called VibraCool, which is a combination of high frequency vibration and cold. So when we use a TENS unit, inevitably we're using the muscle twitch that is created by the electrical interface to create an effect on the mechanoreceptors that are in the body. And so with this, we use that to have our gait control. Well, the challenge is that you just don't hit all of the different mechanoreceptors. That is much more effectively done by using a VibraCool. And the reason is because high frequency vibration at the right frequency and a low amplitude is far more effective in hitting all of those different pain points. So to get pain control, particularly for someone who's just had just got done with rehab and they've done all their knee exercises and you want to have them chill out at the end or have something they can do at home, a combination of VibraCool, which is going to be a cold pack, which is hard, so it transmits the vibration, and then this strap that goes across the knee, and then the two together with that compression that you're going to get from the device itself. If I'm hurting right over the patellar tendon, I just put it directly over it. And then inevitably, what this allows your patient to do is have control over their pain. And it's just a simple click of a button. And then the solid frozen pack transmits the vibration through directly into the body part. And this way you're getting localized pain control. And here's the best part. I have this on my knee right now. Normally they're attached to leads and they can't go anywhere. Well, with this, and when it's on nice and firm, I can just get up and go. I don't have to wait here anymore. This allows your patient to have portable pain relief at a simple touch of a button.